Welcome back to the channel. Next car lunch. What if Tesla's next big surprise isn't another expensive performance car, but a practical EV designed to save thousands over years of ownership? The rumored 2027 Tesla Model 6 could bring lower running costs, long electric range, and everyday practicality into one package. But is it really worth waiting for, and could it actually beat a traditional American vehicle on total ownership cost? Let's find out. Before we go any further, one important note: the 2027 Tesla Model 6 has not been officially confirmed with final US specifications or pricing at the time of this video. So the numbers we discuss are estimates based on Tesla's current positioning, EV technology, and the possibility of a future Model 6. Think of this as a preview of what Tesla could bring to the market. Starting with price, our estimated US starting price for a 2027 Tesla Model 6 could be somewhere around $45,000 to $55,000, depending on the battery, drivetrain, and equipment. Higher versions could move beyond $60,000. In Japan, a reasonable estimate could put the starting price around 6.8 to 8.2 million yen after considering market positioning and import-related costs. For American export markets, including parts of the Middle East, pricing could vary significantly because of taxes, shipping, local regulations, and dealer or import costs. And this is where the Model 6 could become interesting. The purchase price is only one part of the story. If you drive a gasoline vehicle every day, fuel can become one of your biggest ownership expenses. An electric Tesla does not need gasoline at all. Instead, you charge the battery, and for many owners, the cost per mile can be significantly lower than filling up a gasoline-powered vehicle. Real-world range is still impossible to confirm without official Tesla numbers. But if Tesla delivers around 300 to 400 miles of EPA-rated range, a properly equipped Model 6 could become a very practical daily vehicle. Your actual mileage will depend on speed, weather, traffic, battery size, tire choice, air conditioning, and driving style. For a driver covering 15,000 miles a year, that difference can become meaningful. Home charging can make daily commuting much cheaper than regularly buying gasoline, especially for drivers who travel predictable routes. For small business owners or commercial users, reducing energy costs on every trip could make a bigger difference to the monthly budget. Maintenance could be another major advantage. There is no traditional engine oil to replace, no gasoline engine air filter, no spark plugs, and fewer mechanical components compared with a conventional vehicle. That does not mean the Model 6 would be maintenance-free. Tires, brakes, suspension components, cabin filters, windshield repairs, battery cooling systems, and other electronic systems still require attention. However, regenerative braking could reduce traditional brake wear because the electric motor helps slow the vehicle. Over several years, that could lower routine maintenance costs compared with some gasoline-powered vehicles. But there is one area buyers should watch carefully: insurance. Tesla insurance costs can vary heavily depending on location, driver history, repair costs, vehicle value, and coverage level. If replacement body panels, sensors, cameras, or battery components are expensive, insurance premiums could be higher than expected. So before buying a Model 6, buyers should get an actual insurance quote instead of assuming EV ownership will automatically be cheaper. Spare parts availability is another important issue, especially for American export buyers. In the United States, Tesla has a large installed vehicle base and an established service network, but independent repair options and parts availability can vary by location. Outside America, including Japan and Middle Eastern markets, availability may depend heavily on local Tesla support, authorized service centers, and import channels. Now let's talk about driving. In the city, this is where an electric Tesla could feel extremely easy to live with. Electric torque is immediate, so the vehicle can move away from traffic lights without waiting for a traditional transmission to shift gears. There is also no engine vibration at idle, which can make stop-and-go traffic feel smoother. For narrow American streets, parking areas, and crowded commercial zones, a relatively manageable vehicle size would be more useful than simply having huge power numbers. A good camera system, strong visibility, and Tesla's driver assistance technology could also make daily driving easier. On the highway, the biggest question will be comfort and efficiency. If Tesla delivers strong aerodynamic performance and a long-range battery, the Model 6 could be an excellent highway cruiser. A driver traveling between cities could spend less time stopping for energy, especially with Tesla's charging infrastructure. For business users, practicality will matter even more. If the Model 6 is offered with a useful rear cargo area and flexible seating, it could work for deliveries, small business transportation, service calls, and daily commercial travel. It may not replace a heavy-duty pickup for construction or serious towing, but that is not necessarily its purpose. Think of it as a vehicle designed to move people and equipment efficiently rather than carry extreme loads. Now let's compare it with one familiar American alternative, the Ford Maverick. The Maverick has a major advantage in traditional pickup practicality, especially for buyers who need an open cargo bed. It can also be attractive for people who regularly haul larger or dirty items. But the Tesla could fight back with lower energy costs, fewer routine mechanical components, smoother electric performance, and potentially lower long-term running expenses. So the choice is simple. If you need a real pickup bed and traditional utility, the Maverick could make more sense. If your priority is efficient daily transportation, lower energy costs, technology, and long-term EV ownership, the Model 6 could be the more interesting option. Resale value is harder to predict. Tesla vehicles have experienced significant depreciation at different points, and future EV pricing can change quickly. If Tesla reduces prices on newer models, older vehicles can lose value faster. So buyers should not purchase a Model 6 assuming it will automatically hold its value like a popular gasoline vehicle. Still, if Tesla improves battery durability, charging performance, software support, repairability, and long-term reliability, the Model 6 could become a very interesting ownership proposition. And that is the real story here. The 2027 Tesla Model 6, if Tesla actually brings this model to market, could be less about showing off and more about reducing the cost of everyday transportation. Lower energy expenses, potentially lower routine maintenance, strong city performance, comfortable highway driving, and useful cargo space could make it attractive to American commuters, small business owners, and value-focused buyers. But the final decision should wait until Tesla announces the official price, range, warranty, dimensions, battery options, insurance costs, and service details. So, would you choose the 2027 Tesla Model 6 over a traditional American vehicle if the price and range estimates become reality? Let us know what you think in the comments. If you enjoyed this preview, hit the like button, subscribe to Next Car Lunch, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future Tesla reviews, new car updates, comparisons, and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.